Hi everybody and welcome to Terry's Finds. I'm Terry, crazy lady with the wild hair because it's very humid outside. And today what we have is we have some earrings, some gemstone earrings, some crystal earrings, and some crystal pendants, one which is a necklace. And all I can say is please subscribe, smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, give us a thumbs up, give us some comments, tell us what you like, tell us what you didn't like. If you want to purchase something, give us a timestamp and let us know, and we'll work out a deal with you. Okay, so let me just show you what we have today. And here they are. Aren't they pretty? So let's just do away with all this, and let's start with this crystal necklace. Okay, so this is Australian crystals. What it is it's 18 karat white gold over sterling silver. So it comes on I believe it's an 18-inch long chain. It has a lobster claw clasp. And my husband's coming in the door, so please ignore the noise. Next we have is this beautiful little crystal pendant here. And let me see if I can make it shine for you, because it's really, really pretty. Oh, look at all that bling, 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 bling. And that is not sterling silver, by the way. So that is just regular base metal. I checked it before we started. And our next one here, let me just get it out of my hands, is a cute little green crystal with a clear crystal in the middle. It also does a lot of bling, bling, bling. And I'm just going to check it with the loop because I'm pretty sure it is not 925 either. And no, it just has maker's mark, which is not 925. Then we have these gorgeous earrings here. I love the detailing on everything, the detail here, the detail there. And what these are, just let me find it. This is red sponge coral. And it actually is redder than what you're seeing here. If you can see the lighting difference, the light is stronger on the side here. So if I kind of cover it up a little, you can kind of see the red. So we'll put that in there. Then we have next, we have some jasper earrings. And I forgot to tell you if those were sterling silver or not. So let me just see if they are marked. And they are marked 925 on the back. So I'm just going to go really quickly back to this. There's the mark there, 925. So there are those. And then these are jasper earrings on the wire hooks. And let's see if we can find anything on them. I thought they were 925, but I am not seeing a maker's mark. So I'm going to say no, that those are just like a base metal. The last thing we have here, and I just have it together so I didn't lose them because they are kind of tiny. I have a small finger. So these are little huggy hoop crystal earrings. They're so cute. I just think they're adorable. And I'm just going to try and stand one up so you can see the crystals in it. And they do bling, bling, bling. Okay, and that's everything for my little earring and crystal pendant collection. And these will be for sale at either my website. I doubt I'll put these on Poshmark or Etsy, so they'll probably be on my website. But if you see something you like, give me the timestamp. We'll work out a deal. It'll be a great deal for you. And remember to please subscribe, ring the bell so you get notifications. Give us a thumbs up and give us any comments you wish to give us. And good, bad, or indifferent. What you like, what you didn't like, and we'll get back to you. All right, thanks everybody. Talk to you later, or see you later. Bye.